One sunny morning in the jungle. Hic! Oh no! Cried Momo the monkey. I've got the hiccups! Momo swung from branch to branch. Hic! Hic! The parrots laughed. Squawk! What's that funny noise? Momo puffed his cheeks. I'm trying to stop them. But the hiccups just went HIC-HOP-HOO. He tried drinking water upside down. Glug glug hic. He tried holding his breath. Hic! Then Momo's best friend, Lila the Lion Cub, had an idea. Maybe if we make you laugh, the hiccups will go away. So Lila told her silliest joke. What do you call a lion wearing a hat? A dandelion! They both laughed so hard that hic-ha-ha-hic. Finally, all the animals shouted together, Boo! Momo jumped, flipped upside down, and silence. No more hiccups. The jungle cheered. Yay, Momo! Momo grinned. Thanks, friends. But next time, I'll just eat a banana instead. Everyone laughed until their tummies hurt.